So we're gonna put together this little bird feeder. This is how it comes. It comes with 3 different package pieces, and it comes with 4 suction cups. So let's see how this is to put together. Take them out of the package. All right, so let me look. So we have the tray on the bottom with the lip. This goes into the back. Okay, so it looks like you take this piece and put it into the little grooves here. All right, so this last piece looks like it slides. All right, so this is now together, and I just have to add the suction cups. So we'll add the suction cups, and then I'll put it up and I'll show you.